system. The blood circulatory system is a system of organs that includes the heart, blood vessels, and blood which is circulated throughout the entire body of a human or other vertebrate. It includes the cardiovascular system or vascular system that consists of the heart and blood vessels, from Greek cardia meaning heart, from Latin vascula meaning vessels. The circulatory system has two divisions: a systemic circulation or circuit and a pulmonary circulation or circuit. Some sources use the terms cardiovascular system and vascular system interchanged. By the circulatory system, the network of blood vessels are the great vessels of the heart touching heart, including large elastic arteries and large veins. Other arteries, smaller arteries, capillaries that join with venules, small veins, and other veins. The circulatory system is closed in vertebrates, which means that the blood nerve leaves the network of blood vessels. Some invertebrates, such as arthropods, have an open circulatory system. Diploblasts, such as sponges and palm jellies, lack a circulatory system. Blood is a fluid consisting of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets that is circulated around the body, carrying oxygen, nutrients to the tissue, and waste material away. Circulated nutrients include proteins and minerals. Other components transported are gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, hormones, and hemoglobin, providing nourishment, help in the immune system to fight diseases, and in maintaining homeostasis by stabilizing temperature and natural pH. In vertebrates, complementary to the circulatory system is the lymphatic system. This system carries excess plasma fil- filtered from the capillaries as interstitial fluid between cells away from the body tissues is a necessary route to return the excess fluid back to the blood. It makes much longer than that of blood. The lymphatic system is a subsystem that is essential for the functioning of the blood circulatory system. Without it, the blood would become deficient of blood. The lymphatic system works together with the immune system. Unlike the closed circulatory system, the lymphatic system is an open system. Some resources describe it as a secondary circulatory system. The circulatory system can be affected by many cardiovascular diseases. Cardiologists are medical professionals which specialize in the heart, and cardiothoracic surgeons specialize in operating on the heart and its surrounding areas. Vascular surgeons focus on other part of the circulatory system structure. The circulatory system include the heart, blood vessel, and blood